Hello, welcome back to Cam's Classics. We're working today again on the Olds 442. We're trying to get this one done before winter. Don't know if we're going to make it, but we're really going to try. We've pretty much got most of the outside done. We still got a few little pieces of trim. We have the fuel, as we said in the last video. Dad's still working on the windows. We're not showing that because it takes forever just to, as you move one, then you have to move the other, and it just takes a long time. So we're going to get started on getting ready to put the interior in this car. In his hand he's got dynamat. Dynamat is a insulation sound deadener material. We're going to go ahead and put that here on the floor. We bought their universal kit. They do make kits but cut specifically for cars. It's usually expensive. This just comes with 9 sheets of that size. So we're just going to go ahead and we'll get that put in and see what we got to do. We'll start with 1 sheet here. The way this works is on the back of it, it's got an adhesive. You just peel that back. But before we peel it back, I'm going to kind of put it in place and we'll see where we want it to go. So anytime you have to cut around, so we're going to have to cut around for these seat posts. But you want to kind of just start at the front here. We're going to go just below that. And let me grab our roller. That was the other piece I didn't grab. So, grab and here to nail on. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to peel back the front of this, just like that. Stick it down. Is that what we want it? Yep. Grab our roller. Just kind of peel that back a little bit and roll from the front back. And hold that up and I'll drill this. Okay, so now we have that piece in place. We're going to go right next to it. So we need to move this stuff out of our way best we can. Okay. Go ahead and cut us down both sides of the hole. We might have to trim a little bit more. Use the roller. You're not going to get this stuff to lay perfectly flat, but if you get these wrinkles down when the carpet goes over that, you'll never feel them. So, and then they take that piece and start. Set that so your edges are with the other one. One comes clear down here and one doesn't. I guess we go right to this one. Okay, so we're just gonna do some more of that. Basically do the whole thing. We'll come back when we pretty well have it done. So see you in a minute. So we have the dynamat all in. The last thing we gotta do is we gotta cut out the holes for seat belt and the seat. So as you can see, there's a dimple here. Maybe. Believe me, there's a dimple there. That's the seat belt. And there's our hole for the seat belt. And then here I used this tool. Poked around till I found the hole. Here's one. There's one hole. Here's the other one. Okay, so there's our hole for our seat bolt, and cut that one off. So our next step will be we got to finish mounting that wiring strip that goes to the back. We'll probably put in our dash because that's going to be a little bit easier. Then we'll be ready to put in the carpet. But we got to get some of this other stuff done, because when we put the carpet in, we got to put the seats in. The seats and seat belts and the sill plates, that's what holds the carpet in place. So we'll also have to get the windows done so we can put the panels on the doors and the quarter panels. And then we can put the back seat in, the back of the back seat, put the carpet in, put the back seat bottom in, put the front seats in, put the seat belts in. We'll probably put the seat belts before, but we kind of got to do part of the dash and the wiring before we're ready to go to that point. We still got to do our fuel pump. That'll probably be what we do next. What you'll see next in the videos is the fuel pump. We'll get that done and we'll be done. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.